hi. I don't know if I'm going to pronounce your name right. Is it Stephen or Stefan? So please let me know which one it is, and I will make sure I have it right the next time around. So I did like The Giving Tree. It's one of my favorite books of Shel Silverstein's, but part of me is like how I read it as a child versus how I'm reading it as an adult definitely makes things look a little different. I'm going to share with you an article that I found in the New Yorker, and it's about The Giving Tree at 50. Sadder than I remembered. And it was written a couple of years ago, but it talks about how the author of this article is looking at the tree as a parent versus at the kid. So the kid is going to be like wanting more and more and more from that parent, and the parent is going to give and give and give until there is nothing left. So it's kind of a new way of looking at it. There's another kind of a neat website. This is a Shel Silverstein website, and it's about his books. So you can jump on and learn about him, what's new. You can click on this Giving Tree, and it gives you a description of the story on the bottom. Kind of interesting. I did like your assignment. I liked the summary. It was a great job on that. What I was kind of hoping for is like, what kind of connection did this book make with you? One of our parts of the instructions were that you can reflect on your childhood interest, culture, or identity. So I was kind of thinking, like, how is this book reflecting you? How is this connecting to you? Did you have a strong feeling with this when you were younger? I liked the last paragraph that you said, that it should be taught to every child because the message is a great one. And I think the message changes how we look at things and how our perceptions are in the world and how older we're getting and young that some of us are. So I agree with that part. Every kid should read this book, and it should be a message. But I was kind of hoping for some more connection with you and how you felt with this book growing up. So I'm going to give you 23 out of 25, but if you want to rewrite something or add something, I will definitely change grades. All right, thanks.